Next Level Mindset bringing you another powerful and positive video. Most important analytics on YouTube. I'm going to share my experience, research, my own channel. And if you stay with this video all the way through, I've got a bonus PowerPoint analytic that nobody's talking about. You do not want to miss this. By the fact that you're watching this video right now, this is your confirmation and an early bonus point. Something that works for one channel may not necessarily work for you and me. So it's important to keep that in mind as we go through these. And the first top most important analytic on YouTube is our click-through rate, also known as the CTR. You'll hear this known as the impressions click-through rate. This is how many times your thumbnail is showing up on different places on YouTube. Your thumbnail is going to produce a certain click-through rate. Did you know that there is a good way to do clickbait and there is a bad way? Sometimes you can do a clickbait in a wrong way and it'll totally destroy the viewer's experience. They'll click off of your video, will not come back. Some of them won't even come back. You ruin that chance. So what I've learned to do is use a little clickbait, but in the right way. Clickbait is a tricky metric, and I'm going to share a bonus point on that coming up. What is your CTR? What is your click-through rate? Check this out. It says right here, this impressions click-through rate was a 1.8. A lot of videos will have a higher click-through rate. So remember that. Keep that in mind. Whenever you have thumbnails showing up on your videos, those thumbnails will produce a certain percentage of click-through rate. As a matter of fact, let me know in the comments, have you received that new tool that YouTube has? They has what's called A, B, and C thumbnail tester. They'll show one thumbnail over here, another thumbnail over there. They'll show different thumbnails on your channel. Let me know in the comments if you've been enabled with that. At the time of this recording, I hadn't received that yet, but YouTube is interested in seeing what thumbnail is going to get people to click more often than usual. Also, keep in mind, your thumbnail is not the only thing that influences your CTR. It's your topic, it's your title, it is the visuals that you have inside the thumbnail. It's the idea of your video. Maybe it's the way your thumbnail is presented. All of those factors, along with the topic and title, make a great impact on your CTR. And again, maybe you're new to the channel, or maybe you're new to this whole impressions click-through rate. Every time your thumbnail shows up anywhere on the platform, that's called an impression. And with that impression, the number of people who click on that impression produces what is called a CTR, a click-through rate. The higher your click-through rate, the more impressions you'll probably get. But also keep in mind, the more impressions that you have, the lower your click-through rate can sometimes be. But the CTR is often influenced by a lot of factors. It could be your topic, it could be your title, it could be the visuals that you use inside your thumbnail. Once that YouTube system recognizes that your videos are getting clicked on, that's when they'll start getting promoted more on the YouTube system. That's when you'll get those videos being promoted to new viewers. I was watching this video just the other day, and the video was supposed to be about Greg Gutfeld, something about him getting fired from Fox, right? And I wanted to check it out. I wanted to see what that was all about. And as soon as I clicked on the video, the content creator went on and on about something else. And to me, that was almost like clickbait. I knew he was going to probably get to it eventually. But that taught me a very powerful lesson. We want our click-through rate to be up there as high as possible. And one of the best ways we could do that is to deliver on the click. Clickbait is all right as long as you deliver on that click. And a high CTR, a high click-through rate, gives an indication to the YouTube system that your videos are engaging enough, getting the attention of viewers on the platform, worthy of being promoted to other viewers. So keep that in mind. And as long as we deliver on that click, we can win on this platform. By the way, if this is your first time here or you've been here before and you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. If you want to stay empowered and inspired together, love to have you here at Next Level. The next top most important analytic on YouTube is your engagement. How can we get people to leave comments? How can we get them to like our videos? How can we get them more engaged? This is a powerful analytic. How many people are showing your video some love by hitting the like button, leaving a comment, sharing it out? Those are powerful analytics. And what I found on my channel, one of the main ways to get people to leave a comment is to be specific in it. And a lot of channels, they'll say, leave a comment, hit the like button, share it out, but they won't say what the comment can be about. And what I found on my channel is leaving a specific question, asking a specific question will get people more engaged on the video. Just like I did earlier, I asked to leave me a comment if you have received that A/B testing for your thumbnails. So that's being specific. So that's a powerful way to get more people engaged when it comes to comment. Instead of just saying comment below, be specific about what they can comment on. Also, another thing to keep in mind is that by leaving comments or being specific about what people can leave comments on, it also encourages collaborations. A lot of other content creators are starting to collaborate more with other content creators just by being specific in the comment section. So even if you just use that one tool, this one metric right here was well worth it. Just that one tool. When you ask for a comment, be specific and see how it will improve. The next top most important analytic is your viewers, or your returning viewers, your unique viewers, and your new viewers. How many people are returning, how many people have been there before, and how many are unique. Now, I never really knew what a unique viewer was, but I did some research. It says right here, your unique viewers count individual users, not the total number of views. For example, if a single person watches your video 3 times, they are counted as one unique viewer. There's a lot there. You can take this and maybe make a screenshot of it if you want to. Pause the video, screenshot that if you'd like, and read that. But there's a lot right there. But I never really knew what a unique viewer really was. Never really understood that. But this is a powerful YouTube analytic. Unique viewers, new viewers, and returning. And so what I've learned along my journey relaunching my YouTube channel, I learned that it's best to have a balance between new viewers and returning viewers. It's best to have a balance between all 3. That's letting me know that I'm doing something right on the platform. So the question is, how many viewers can we get to come back to our channel? How many viewers can we get to become unique viewers watching our videos more than once? This is a powerful metric, and it sends a powerful signal to the YouTube system about your videos. And not only about your videos, but also about your channel as a whole. So keep that in mind as you continue to grow your channel on the platform. Returning viewers, unique viewers, and those viewers who have never been there before. They're new to your channel. They just want to see what your channel is really all about. So important to have a balance of all 3. And for me, what I've learned that it sometimes is about readjusting my content strategy. Maybe it was how I was delivering my content. Maybe it was getting rid of those long intros on content. There's a lot of things we can do that will encourage viewers to not only stick around, creating that watch time, increasing the average view duration, but also to get them coming back to your channel. Now, I've got this bonus point analytic nobody's talking about, but first, before we do that, just want to share this with you. Gotta tell you about Creative Mix, copyright-free music for all content creators. I've been using them for a while, and they have a great variety of music, different varieties of music, free of charge. So check out Creative Mix. Go to their YouTube channel, subscribe there. Go to creativemix.com, create a free account, start downloading their music, use it in your videos, use it in your live streams, or just listen behind the scenes. So a big thank you to Nick Nimmin and D Nimmin over at Creative Mix. They're not sponsoring this video, but if you choose to use them, just tell them Stevon told you about it. If you've enjoyed this video so far and it's giving you value, do me a favor and hit that like button. The algorithm signal will let other people know this video. It'll definitely let them know it's worth watching if you hit the like button. Thank you. So this bonus point I want to share with you deals with your CTR. Nobody's talking about this. I haven't heard anyone mention this. Every now and then you'll have a low CTR and it can be discouraging. But check this out. And I was wondering, why is my CTR so low? On this one, it was 0.8%. But when I dug deeper, check out what it says. This video is reaching a wider audience on YouTube, leading to a lower click-through rate. But it says wider audiences are often less likely to choose to watch a video. But this is the important part. The lower CTR is not hurting this video's view count. So the next time you find yourself with a low CTR, keep that in mind and remember that. And out of all the explanations that I've heard, different people talking about having a low click-through rate, nobody's mentioned that right there. That is usually some people that maybe they don't know you like that. YouTube is choosing to show them your video, but they're not clicking on it because they're not familiar with you. So it will lead to a lower click-through rate. But YouTube has plenty of ways of letting us know how we're doing on the platform. And it says right there, this lower click-through rate is because it's reaching a wider audience, but it's not hurting your video's view count. That's so important. Also, another thing that I've learned to do, I've learned to empower myself and encourage myself with affirmations and mindset strategies. This is one that I want to share with you. This affirmation says that I am a successful content creator with an influence of millions of people all over the world. I get paid to create content, inspire others, empower them, and have a great time doing it. And so put that in your own words. Maybe you can relate an affirmation like that to your channel. So I want to encourage you and inspire you to use mindset strategies such as affirmations and powerful thinking to put that in your own words for your own channel to encourage you to stay in this thing for the long term. And maybe you're watching this right now and you've been on YouTube, but you really haven't been doing the thing. You really haven't been creating content, or maybe it's stagnant and you might just be ready to take your channel to the next level, maybe to get it back going again. I want to share this video with you right here coming up on the screen. I think that would be a great video for you to watch next. So check that out. Enjoy that. Thanks again to my subscribers and returning viewers, those who are funding the channel with your income. You keep the lights on here at Next Level. Hit the like button. Share this on your way out. Subscribe if you haven't done that. Stay blessed. Stay positive. Never give up whatever you do. Until next time, I'll see you on the next level. Peace.